everyone, and welcome to Bến Tre, Vietnam. It's a beautiful day today. So I'm staying at this hotel. Now there's a weird sign in the front of the hotel. I want to see if I can zoom in. No, I cannot. Anyway, the sign says something like go the or blacks? What is go the All Blacks? What is All Blacks? Can anyone tell me what All Blacks is or are? Apparently it's something to do with men's poking their tongues out. I'm not too sure. It would be great if you could tell me. Thank you.